Nature life. Let's try to go up there, guys. Hello, everybody. I'm outside and I'm just gonna enjoy the nature. And I hope you guys are enjoying the nature too. We're gonna try to go up there. Ow. I gotta go up this hill. Ow. I need to be careful because there's rocks. Okay. There's a steep hill. Ow. Okay, so this is a big hole. Maybe an animal. Hey, I made it up. Nature is acquired. Look at that hill. For me, I want to go up there, but I'm like, no, not today. But this is a hiking trail. Relaxing up here. Maybe you guys enjoyed the nature like I am. And yeah. Do you guys see any animals? Do you guys see any animals? I don't think so. I don't want to keep going there because that's like a dead end. But I just want to show you guys, want to enjoy the walk like I did. Go outside and have fun. It's a very nice day outside. Enjoy of the nature. Love y'all.